Hi, everybody. It's Mrs. Owinga here again. And before we do our warm up today, I would like to start with our welcome song again. So you can listen the first time to remember how it goes, and then please join me. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say welcome as quiet as we can. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember that song? Okay, let's do it again. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say welcome as loud as we can. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh, that was loud. I think they heard me upstairs. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say welcome as low as we can. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good job. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say welcome as high as we can. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I like listening to you sing. Good work. So for our warm up today, we're going to do some more practice with syllables, mirrors. Good job. You do exactly what I'm doing, like we're looking in a mirror. Mirror. 1, 2, blend. Yes, now you remember we're taking two syllables, 1, 2, and blending them together to make one word. Let's try some. Cup, cake, cupcake. Oh, that was so good. Way to go. Mirrors. Yeah. Bed, room. That's right. Bedroom. Oh, you guys are getting good at this. Up, stairs. Yes, upstairs. Very good. Robot. Robot. Yes, let's do one more. Light bulb. Yes, light bulb. Wow, you did great practicing again, taking two syllables and putting them together to make a word. Now, here's something maybe you didn't know. You can also take a word and say the sounds of the word and put the sounds together to make the word. Let me show you what I mean. If I say N-O, I can put them together and make the word no. Try it with me. Mirrors. Good job. N-O. No. Very good. Okay, we're going to do some more like that. Instead of syllables, we're doing sounds now. The sounds to make a word. Mirror. Sh. Ooh. Shoe. Very good. Z. Ooh. Zoo. Awesome. E. Me. Ooh, that one was a little harder. Let's try that one again. Mirror. E. Me. Very good. So we took the sound and we took the sound e and we blended them together and made the word me. All right, let's try some more. Mirror. E. Knee. Fantastic. All right, on the last one, I'm going to give you a chance to yell out what word we're making when we put the sounds together. Mirror. Off. Yes, off. Very good. So words are made up of sounds, and we can put those sounds together to make a word. So that's what we're doing. We're blending. Very good job on our warm up today. I hope you enjoyed our practice. Bye-bye.